Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an AWS account and how to create an object storage in AWS account and how to host a static HTML file. So first you have to do is create your own AWS account. You should take the free plan. In that, object storage services will be free in that free account, so you will be taking that account. Okay, now see here, log into your AWS account. In the storage section, go to S3. Here it is. Do you see the create bucket option here? You have to create a bucket in this section. You have to give this bucket a unique name. It should not match to any other thing. So I will be giving any other name. You can just type in whatever you want. So in this region place, you have to choose the region which is nearest to your place and just click next until you reach this create bucket option. You have to click next. That's what you have to do. So you can see here that we have created one bucket. Click on this. You can see the options over here: overview, properties, permissions, management, and access points. In here, upload, create folder, actions. Okay, the thing now you have to do is upload your static HTML file through this upload option. I have created one HTML file over here. You can see this one. Just click on the upload and you can just see the page here. You can just select any files from your files option, or you can just drag the file over here. So I have already created one bucket and I will show you that one, how it works. Here I have already uploaded the HTML file into this bucket. After completing this one, you will go to properties and you will find an option called static website hosting. Click on that one and see here. You just have to choose index document and error document. I have uploaded the lab3 HTML document, so you have to fill these two sections as lab3 HTML document. That whatever the file you have uploaded, you have to give the file name over here and use this bucket to host your website. You have to click this one, bucket hosting enable, and save. And after completing this part, you have to click on the static website hosting page again, and you will find an endpoint over here. You see this one? You have to click on that link, and when you click on that link, you will go to the file directly. That the file will be open in the browser directly. This is how you host a static HTML file in AWS services. So actually you have to make this bucket public, so then you can access the file in it. I'll show you how to do that one. You can see this here. Yeah, here it is. You see this one, access control list. You have to make the bucket public over here, and in the overview you can see it here. I'm just going to click on this link, see how it's gonna happen. Yeah, here it is. You can see the whole file displayed in the browser. This is how you host a static HTML file in your object storage, that is S3 in AWS. Yeah, thank you.